Alright, what's up guys? Here's a day where we cannot get an entry, unfortunately. And I have to control myself and not force the entry. And unfortunately, I have to watch this just play out without me. So, really sucks because all morning this was my plan, but I just couldn't get an entry on this. I could have got it here, but I forget why, but I had a reasoning why I didn't want to. I think I was just hesitant, to be honest, but no, I think it's because I needed a 5 minute gap to retrace into, right? So yeah, this would have been my other entry. I was gonna target these highs, 25, or no, I was gonna target these highs, sorry. And 19 points, stop there. Nice 4R. Fortunately, the market doesn't care about me, so it just goes without me very often. And it was perfect, dude. It was in the 950 to 1010 macro. It was gonna work out so well, but now I do think price is gonna head up here today. I mean, 100%. Well, no, not 100%, but I do think that's where we are going to head. I think this is the only other entry I would look for, is if we trade back into this 5 minute. Other than that, I'm not interested. Because I know I'm just forcing a setup if I go any more than that. Oops. But the thing is, that's risk. Oh no, that's only 6.25. Okay, that's not bad. And then I'd probably do my stop at or TP at these highs. Go break even at these highs, and then yeah. I mean, that's a huge trade. That's 22 points. That's huge. But I don't know. We're not going to get an entry, unfortunately. I mean, we might. Like, we just got this CISD. Well, the candle hasn't closed yet, but we might get the 5 minute CISD, and then we'll go from there. I don't know. Wow, that'd be 100 ticks. We have the forever model set up. On the 30 minute here, I'll show you guys in the chart down here. 30 minute, boom. Tap in, take out these lows. We form an SMT between a lower time frame low. It was the fuck. It was like these small lows over here, but still did get it. So yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get the entry. Fortunately, I've said that like a million times today or this morning, but it is what it is. Did I mix up the? Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna pause recording. I don't think we're gonna get an entry, unfortunately, and if we don't, I might just. I don't know. I'll stay on the charts for a bit, but I'm very specific with the setup I'm looking for now. Now that I'm only looking for the forever model, so I doubt we'll find it. But yeah, I will I will get back to you guys if we get something. Okay, we're low-key getting our limit edged right now. I honestly want to move it to this 30-minute. But I don't know. Don't have a lot of time to make a decision, and I think I'm about to get filled. Pause. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it and let it play out. Maybe. Shit, might not even get filled. Okay, well, so much for that. Come on, there's no way it's gonna. There's no way it's gonna miss it by one tick. Or that might be two. I don't know. Still, man, what the fuck? What is that? How do you? That's crazy. That is insane. Yo, it just doesn't want to fill our order today. What the fuck is this? What is that, man? What is that? What is that, badonkadonk? Oh, fuck. Maybe NQ? Oh, should have took it on NQ, bro. All day. Should have took it on NQ. Fuck. It just tapped the 30-minute on NQ. Oh, wait. We might get filled here. Hold on. Oh, okay, fuck. I was about to move it. I was literally a click away. But, whatever. Alright, well, we'll see how this plays out. I don't know if it will, but we'll go like that. How many? 19 points. That's a lot. 'Tis a lot. I don't usually do that much. We'll do break even at this high. And yeah, we'll see how this works out. And yeah, we tap into there. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it will, but we didn't take out these highs on ES. We didn't take them out on NQ. I still think this is our higher draw. We did edge them though. And I think like yes, overall we're gonna go up here at the end of the day, but by the end of the day, but I'm not looking to target that. Actually, why is my oh yeah, I targeted this because the 4-hour gap low is resting there, so I didn't want to like trade going into it because I feel like there would be a reaction from it. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. This isn't a inverse actually. This is respected on the 30 minutes, so it's definitely going to be a little choppy, so whatever. We're just going to have to sit through it. We're going to be consolidating a little bit probably throughout this trade because of these big moves. Whoa. This move pre-market and then this move after market, if that's the right word, but I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Anyways, I'll pause the recording. I'll get back to you guys if we see something we like here. Okay, so it's only been like 2 minutes, but we're about to get our break-even point, so yeah, I might only move to this low just because I want to give the trade some breathing room, but we'll see. Okay, there we go. So I'll move my stop here for now, and that means we're only risking like what 2.50 times 4, I believe. Wait, I forget how it works. 2.50 times 4, 10 ticks times 12.50, I believe. So it's only a $125 risk. Whatever, right? We're already up, like, how much? Isn't even on the right part. We're already up. Why is this taking me so long to look? Oh, 11 points. Like, I could just go TP here, but maybe I should. I don't know. We might trail stop. I don't know. Ugh. Fuck, man, I'm so sick. I've been sick for like 3 weeks. It just won't go away. Oh shit, I have my driving test tomorrow. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Alright, I want to see this 1 minute hold, ideally. It's only a 1 minute, so I can't expect much, but I would like to see it hold. May 28th. When is that? That's tomorrow. Yeah, okay, so. I think if we get it back above this high, this will actually be my break-even point. I'll make the trade completely risk-free. Shaking my dreads in the face of this bitch. Oh, yeah. Don't give a fuck about much. We didn't take out that high on NQ. Just realized. So that may be a... fuck. I don't know. That is an SMT. It's only on the 1 minute though, I think. I'm not too sure. But we do have SMT between these highs, so I need to be careful. How much is... Oops. How much is this? 13 points. We might take that, honestly. I think I'm going to. Yeah, I'm just gonna be safe just because we just formed SMT up here. So. Okay, this 1 minute is holding. We held the consequent encroachment of it, so I don't know. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Come on. There we go. Okay. I know I'm gonna regret later not holding, but honestly, at the same time, this SMT kind of tripped me out, so I didn't want to risk that. But like I said, I do think the end of the I think we're gonna come up here by the end of the day for sure. So that's that. How much did we make? 657. Okay, what is that to US, or I mean Canadian? 657 USD to CAD. 940 buckaroos. Okay. Not bad. I'm gonna just leave this here just so I can watch this play out. But we're done for today. I'm not gonna give back any profits. That was a nice trade. Unfortunately I didn't get the entry I wanted. I would have entered way down here. But we were able to find a re-entry and didn't force it too much. And we had to kind of sit through this consolidation, but it ended up playing out nicely. So, yeah, that's that, guys. I don't really have much else to say. If I didn't already, I'm gonna show you guys the... No, I already did show you the forever model on why I entered. So, that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But by the way, I didn't trade Wednesday because I don't think I traded Tuesday either, did I? I'm not too sure. I didn't trade Wednesday. Here's what happened, guys. I'm gonna show you. So in the last video, I don't know if you guys saw, but I uploaded a video called Trade of 8 Cooked Me. And I don't know if you guys know, but there was a Trade of 8 global outage, and I was in a trade. You can go watch the video. I cover it while it's happening, I think. And I ended up losing like a lot of money because of it. Like at one point my account said I was down 1600, which means it would have been blown. And like it was just, I couldn't close the orders. It opened like 10 mini contracts at once. It was brutal. So I didn't want to trade the next day until Take Profit Trader fixed my balance and got me back to where it was before that happened, which was 506, I believe. And they didn't on Tuesday, or they didn't all day on Tuesday, which is when the trade of outage happened. And then they didn't on Wednesday either until later in the day, which was after I would have been trading. So I woke up Wednesday, I checked my account, and then I just went back to sleep because it wasn't fixed yet. So I didn't want to like risk anything. Just in case, I don't know. Just in case I wasn't supposed to trade while it was being fixed. I don't know. So I just wanted to play it safe. But not a big deal because we got a nice trade today. So I'm just gonna mark this out in Google Sheets here. We'll go, how much was that? 657, I think? Yeah, 657. Okay. Yeah. Kinda, well, we didn't top ticket, but almost. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap that up here, guys. I will see you Friday, which, if we take a dub tomorrow, that means we are finishing the week with all green trades. If we don't take a trade, still we're finishing it all green trades. So we'll see how it goes. March has not been the best month for a lot of people. So just trying to play it safe and, you know, not oversize, you know, not do anything stupid. But yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up. I will see you guys tomorrow.